Dear students and viewers, I extend hearty welcome all of you to my presentation. How are you all doing? Hope that you all are doing well and enjoying our classes. Today I will talk about unseen comprehension, which is very much important for the students of class 9 and 10. Dear learners, and I hope you are ready with your necessary material so that you can enjoy the class more effectively. So dear students, let's start. So this is my identity, dear students, and at the very beginning we will know what are the things we are going to learn today. First one, after this lesson, you will be able to fill the gaps and write summary and improve your writing skills. Okay, dear learners, first I will like to tell you to read a passage. And there is a passage and you have to read it and so that you can answer the questions very nicely. Okay, are you ready to listen? First I am going to read, you have to listen. After listening, you have to make some questions. Okay, dear students. So this is first look at the picture. I think you are very much familiar with the picture. This is the picture of famous poet Jibananad. So this is the comprehension about him. So dear learners, listen to my reading very carefully. After that, you have to make some answers. Okay, I am going to read it. Jibananad was born in a small town of Barishal in 1899. He took his master's degree in English at the age of 22. The next year, he started his teaching career as a professor of English at the Kolkata City College. He lost the job in 1928 on the charge of publishing a poem in the Parichaya Patrika. But 2 years after, he joined the Ramjas College, Delhi, but returned to his place of birth the next year. He got an appointment in Brajamohan College, Barishal in 1935. And in 1947, when the partition was made, Jibananad left Bangladesh for India in West Bengal. He started editing the Suez Patrika. In 1951, he joined the Kharagpur College. He was awarded Rabindra Purishkar in 1953. He met with a term accident on the 14th October 1954. He was hospitalized. After a few days, he passed away on October 22, 1954. Dear students, first you have to look at the key words of the passage and how many date and time, and you have to remember these key points so that you can answer the question. Today we will learn which is called substitution table. Read the passage again. Now complete the table with relevant information from the text. Okay, now first have a look what, who. That means this is the this column is written with the name of some things, and the second column, look at the second column, and this is event activity, and in third column you can see where means where denotes place. You have to write the place in the gap, and when, I think it will be time. Okay, now pause the video, read the comprehension again, and try to guess the answers. Try to insert the answer of the question. Okay, dear learners. Okay, pause the video. Now I am going on, and there is a answer for your comparison. First one, 1928. What you have seen? Jibananad Das lost job when? 1928. And second one is Porichoy Potrika. So a poem published where? Porichoy Potrika. So then Ramjas College. Third one, Jibananad Das joined where? Ramjas College. When? In 1930. Then Jibananad Das joined Brajmohan College. When? 1935. 1935. Last one, Jibananad Das joined where? Kharagpur College. When? In 1951. Okay, dear learners, I have given you one substitution table. In examination, you may have different types of substitution tables, and the answer will be different. So that you have to listen it very carefully and minutely. Now I am moving on to the next. So, dear students, now this is the terms of writing summary. Summarize the above passage in no more than 90 words. Dear students, when I have given some instruction for you, when writing a summary, remember that it should be in the form of a paragraph. A summary begins with an introductory sentence that states the text title, author, and main point of the text as you see it. A summary is written in your own words. A summary contains only the ideas of the original text. So, dear students, you have to remember these points. First one, identify the section of the text, find the text, thesis and main idea, distinguish between major and minor details. Third one, remove minor details and examples. Pay attention to transition words. Reorder the ideas as needed. Reserve your opinion. Okay, these things you need to remember, you need to follow when you will write a summary. Okay, I have written a summary for you, and there is another notes for you. You have to remember that a summary must be 1/3 of the passage. What I want you to understand, a summary must be 1/3 of the passage. Okay, there is a summary for you. I have written. Jibananad Das was a Bengali poet, writer, novelist who was born in 1899 in Borishal, received MA degree in English. He started his teaching career as a professor of English at Kolkata City College. He worked as a professor of Ramjas College and Brajmohan College. Jibananad Das was awarded Ravindra Puruskar in 1953 before his death on October 22, 1954. Okay, dear learners, I think there is the end of you. Okay, that is the end of today's lesson. I hope my telling is easy to understand. Thank you so much for joining my classes.